Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Holding, plain old holding up your pants by the belt loop or just plain on grabbing the edge. Tight belt, if you do have a belt, and you want to sag, drop your pants and pull that sucker to its smallest notch, or if it is a D-ring belt, just pull it tight. D-rings generally need constant attention.
Take our lead.
Men have the belt above the gut. Thus pants get higher as you age. When you get older your skin gets all loose and baggy, which causes it to droop. The skin then droops over your hips so that when you come to pull up your pants you find that your hips have moved upwards or are no longer where they once were.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It's most likely that you're either A, buying the wrong fit for your shape, or B, your jeans are too old. You need jeans with a bit more spandex, lycra in them. The cotton is stretching out where they get the most wear. That's why it's shrinking when you wash them but getting baggy again after wearing.
Take our lead.
The most common reason your pants won't stay up is related to your body shape and how your pants fit your particular body type. If you have a small waist, but larger hips, your pants may fit too loose in the waist. If you have a larger waist and smaller hips and butt, it's much easier for your pants to fall down. 4 September 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.